sometimes he calls. I'm very worried. In cold winter, he seems cold much more. I continue to treat the medication for him. Meow, try your best. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, love it, it's okay.